Good morning, all of you. In today's video, we learn about German personal pronoun Akkusative. As we already know, nominative personal pronoun ich, I, mich, me. Du, you informal, dich, also you informal. He, ihn, him. Sie, she, sie, her. Es, it, as it. Wir, uns, ihr, euch, sie, sie. Let's see how we are going to use this in a sentence. So as we already know, nominative we can define as subject of the sentence, and accusative we can define as direct object of the sentence. Like if we need to write I ask you, we need to check I here is nominative, subject, and nominative is the subject of the sentence, and you here is the accusative, and ask is verb here. So I means nominative ich, where ask frage, and du is accusative. Accusative du is dich. I ask you, ich frage dich. You like her. So we need to check first subject or object. Nominative. You is nominative, subject. Like is verb, and her is accusative. So you nominative is du. Like is mag, du magst, and her is sie. Because du magst sie. I love you. So I is nominative. Nominative I is ich. You is accusative. Accusative you is dich. So ich liebe dich. Do you love me? So here you is the subject, and the question mark, in the question mark verb come first. So love come at first, then the subject du, then me is me. Liebst du mich? Like this we are going to make the sentence with personal pronoun. Let's see some more example with the things involved. I see a car. It is very costly. I want to buy it. So here I is the subject, nominative, and the car is object. And we need to check the article of the object as well. A car is neutral. So we can say ich sehe ein Auto. It. In English, every noun we use as it because it does not have gender, but in German every noun has a gender, so we need to check the gender of that noun, and according to that we put it. The car is neutral, so put s. Nominative and accusative is same. So I see a car. Ich sehe ein Auto. It become s because ein Auto is neutral. Das. It. Ich will. I want to buy it. Ich is nominative, it is accusative. S is S in accusative, so ich will es kaufen. I see a table. Ich is nominative, so ich sehe. Table is masculine, einen Tisch. So masculine comes here. So it here we use for masculine. So when we use it for masculine, we put er as it. Er is there, billig, ich will, and accusative ihn. Ich will ihn kaufen. It is accusative and it is for masculine. For masculine accusative we use ihn. I see a bag, and the bag here is feminine, it. So bag feminine, then we put it as sie. Sie ist sehr schön, and ich will sie kaufen. Sie ist sehr schön, ich will sie kaufen. So before putting any it, we need to check the noun. If the masculine, then we can put according to the noun er, masculine, feminine sie, neutral s, and as for nominative accusative ihn, sie, s. Let's see some more example. I see a chair. It is very costly. I want to buy it. So ich sehe einen Stuhl. Stuhl is masculine. So er is there teuer, and it is accusative here. Ich will ihn kaufen. The novel is interesting. I want to buy it. Der Roman ist interessant. Ich will ihn kaufen. Masculine Akkusative ihn. Do you find the bag beautiful? Yes, it is beautiful. Now the bag is feminine. Findest du die Tasche feminine? So we put sie. Ja, sie ist schon. The book is costly, but I have to buy it. Das Buch ist teuer, aber ich muss es kaufen. Neutral, Accusative, SSS. The computer is old, I want to sell it. Der Computer ist alt, ich will ihn. Masculine Accusative, ihn verkaufen. So, before putting any personal pronoun accusative, we need to check the gender of the noun, and according to the gender of the noun, we put er, sie, es. In English, we put only it, but here we need to check the gender of that noun as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, have a nice day. Just write us below.